So hi guys, this is Rahul Prajapati and welcome to morning market briefing. So let's start the analysis first going with the SGX. Okay, so if we see on SGX, we are seeing a gap up opening in the market. So almost like 150 points, right? And market is trading near 16,850 right now. Now, if you go and check Nifty chart, so in earlier sessions, we have discussed that Nifty is trading in a range, right? This was a trade where Nifty was trading specifically. And yesterday, we have seen a breakdown from this level. So 16,850 market is taken out and we have seen a fall, right? Okay. So today market is opening with a gap up, right? So probably this is just kind of short covering move that is happening because we have seen a good short yesterday. Now going back to the OI first. Now, if you see that there was a very random data coming earlier. Now, yesterday, you see that good short happened in the market, right? Now, if you see the absolute change, that was a huge short, right? Okay. So probably most of the people have created a short position now on Nifty, specifically, we can say. Now, if we go and check the open interest for today, Nifty. So today is expiry also, right? Now, if we see on the higher side, 17,000 is where we have the highest call option. So this is the resistance. On the lower side, 16,500 would be a support, right? So being market volatile, this is the range that we are anticipating for market, right? Okay, so it should remain in this, right? Coming to Bank Nifty. Okay. So we have seen almost like 2.5% fall yesterday in Bank Nifty, almost like 900 points. So if we see that on the higher side, market is, taking a resistance around 36,000, on the lower side, 35,000. So this is, and on the upper side, if you go on 37,000 earlier, what we have a resistance. So this is a, these 3,000 points range is the where we are looking for, right? Okay. 2,000 point range. Okay. Now on the lower side, 35,000 is a good support for market. If that breaks, probably we'll see, market slipping further, right? Okay, now if you see the OI specifically, so from past few days, we are seeing that most of the, sessions happening with the short and short covering only. And yesterday, we also have a short move in this. Now talking about the Bank Nifty here. Specifically, you can see that 36,000 has added a good call options, right? Okay, good addition happening. So that is a resistance for the market right now. 35,000 is a good support, right? So this is the range for today, probably we can say. Okay. Now, if you see the contribution yesterday, so you have seen that private banks, added the most, so negative on the negative side, and then oil and NBFC. So because of the RBI policy, we have seen a fall. So NBFC and private banks have reacted a lot. Okay, after that, and oil is also contributing on the negative side. So these are the three sectors. No positive side apart from power, right? Now, okay, coming back to these stocks, the first is HDFC from the NBFC, right? Okay. So if we see the stock was shown a good fall and then this was a short covering move we have seen, and market's taking resistance around this level. Okay, so that is 2280, around 2280, right? This is the resistance we are facing. Now, if we go and check HDFC here, so if you see, mostly we have a short and then short covering move, and yesterday the reversal came with the short side again. So seems like the stock is going down. Okay, so if you just check here, so you have seen good unwinding happening on 2200 put option. So if that further breaks down, so 2100 level is the where we are anticipating. On the higher side, 2250 could be a good level, even though if there's a gap up opening and stock is opening around that level, so could be a good selling opportunity near that. Or even if market moves up to 2300 is a good level again for look for a short move, right? Okay. So that is the SDFC on the short side. The second stock is HDFC Bank. The same structure, right? Both stocks are behaving in the same way. The both are trading in a range, but the structure seems to be weak. That is a short, and then most of the moves because of short covering happening. And yesterday we have seen a short. So if you just change it to bank, so you can see that was consolidation, and then yesterday we have a short. So here we are looking for 1340 to be taken out, okay, on the lower side. And even any rise towards 1400 could be a good selling opportunity. So below 1340 we'll go and look for a short position in this. Okay, immediate target will be 1300 and then probably 1250, right? Okay, so both the stocks looking weak. Okay, now going to the ban list specifically. So we don't have any stock trading in a ban list right now. Now talking about the summary, so 17,000 the higher side, 16,500 on the lower side. This is the range we are anticipating. And on Bank Nifty level, 36,000, 35,000 is the level that we're looking for. Right? No long build up specifically, apart from powers. And private banks, oil and NBFC are added on the negative side. HDFC, the stock first that is looking weak. So below 2,200, it's looking weak again. Okay, at the consolidation, both the stocks are trading in a consolidation. But yesterday reversal came with a good short. So in both the stocks, we can take and go for a short below these levels where we're looking for. So 2,200 and 1340 is the level where we're looking for a short position, right? 2,250 is the resistance in HDFC, 1,400 is the resistance for HDFC Bank, or even any rise towards these level could be a good selling opportunity because a lot of short positions are created, right? Okay, so that's the view, and no stock is trading in a ban list, right? So that's all from my side. I'll see you again. Thank you so much. Bye and take care.